Hello, my sixth grade friends. I certainly miss y'all. I hope that you are having a nice time off and still working hard to learn at the same time. Last week we did one-step addition equations and one-step subtraction equations, and you guys did great on that assignment. Remember, we just did the opposite operation for those. And so this week we're going to focus on one-step multiplication equations and one-step division equations. So first up, I'm going to show you how to do one-step multiplication equations. They're really easy. So you just watched the slideshow and you saw a few examples. So now I'm going to talk you through some more examples, and I want you to do this with me. I want you to grab a sheet of paper and I want you to write these down. So if you need to hit pause, pause and go get that. Okay, so the very first one we're going to do is an easy one. 5 times x equals 30. So this means 5 times some unknown number is 30. So I know that you probably know this in your head. I know that mentally you probably know that that is 6, but we have to show it. So what is the opposite of multiplying by 5? Dividing by 5. So instead of writing the division sign like this, we're not going to write it like that, guys. We're not going to do that. Instead of doing that, we're going to show a fraction bar for division. So we're going to divide by 5 on this side and divide by 5 on this side. So what do you think 5 divided by 5 is? It's 1, right? So we're going to cross it out. And remember, we learned when we were in school that we don't have to write 1x. If there's just 1x, we can just write x. So 5 divided by 5 is just 1. So we just write x equals, and then 30 divided by 5 is 6. Okay? Let's try another example real quick. Okay? We're going to do 3, I'll do a different letter. C equals 45. So 3 times some unknown number is 45. Now some of you might be able to do this one mentally. We're going to divide by 3 because it's the opposite of multiplying by 3. So if I divide by 3, I'm going to get to figure out what they multiplied by 3 to get 45. So then I'll divide by 3 on this side, because whatever I do to one side, I have to do it to the other side as well. So I cross it out. So C is going to equal 45 divided by 3. Now, if I don't know that, I can come off to the side on not where my work is, but come over here and do 3 into 45, and I can figure out my work here. I think a lot of you know that 3 times what is 45? It's 15, and I could show my work if I needed to right here. So C equals 15. So that's 2 basic examples for you.